Turkish defense contractor Roketsan developed directed energy weapon, Alka, that can destroy or disable hostile drones. Roketsan first introducing Alka at the International Defense Industry Fair 2019. Roketsan said, the weapon system was developed in response to surge in drone attacks targeting Turkish armed forces. According to Roketsan official, Professor Ugurur Kayasal, Alka is equipped with both laser and electromagnetic systems to either destroy or disable drones and other similar aircrafts. Kayasal said, the system can accurately track multiple targets with its onboard radar and electro-optics. Lately, terrorists around the world have been loading drones with bombs to carry out attacks, or equipping them with cameras to gather intelligence on their targets. It is very difficult to hit drones with conventional weapons or bombs. You need to respond to new threats in innovative ways. Taking 5 years to fully develop the weapon, Roketsan has spent the 2 years trying to make Alka into a portable system, so it can be moved around with a dedicated truck. It can now be used as a mobile system behind a truck, or fixed on top of a tower. The system has great potential, Kayasal said. We aim to protect troops and operations with a mobile version, while a fixed one will be more suitable for headquarters, bases, ships or other strategic points, he said. Alka can disable a swarm of drones up to 4 kilometers away, and destroy drones with explosives from 500 meters away. The system uses focused laser or electromagnetic beams to destroy or disable drones at a safe distance. It can neutralize threats day and night, and the cost of using the system is a lot cheaper compared to conventional weapons. According to Kayasal, Alka has passed its preliminary tests with great accuracy, and one had already been deployed to protect a Roketsan facility.